this is Shikha and welcome. India has always been a symbol of unity in diversity. As you know, Maharashtra Day and Gujarat Day both fall on the same day. So I just gave a thought of trying both the traditional drapes of these states. Maharashtra's traditional drape is known as Nauvari Saree, which is actually draped on 9 yards of fabric. But here I am trying my simple regular 5 meters saree. You can try with that also. There are so many different ways you can drape a Nauvari Saree, which is actually a 9-yard saree. But I am going to show you very basic style. I am no expert in this drape, so please don't judge the video. I am just going to give you some simple styling tips how differently you can style it in modern way. Actually here I am trying with the jeans. If you are uncomfortable with the legging peeping out from your saree, then you can try it with the 3/4 leggings. This drape is actually very simple. आपको अपनी वेस्ट पे नॉट लगाने के बाद दोनों एंड्स जो लूज एंड्स हैं उनको अपने लेग के नीचे से ट्विस्ट करके बाहर की तरफ ले आना है एंड देन यू हैव टू एडजस्ट द पल्लू एज द रेगुलर साड़ी. Uniqueness of this drape is actually it's very comfortable to wear. If I take you through the history of this drape, then it was actually discovered by the Maratha Empire ladies to showcase their skills and ability by helping their fellow masculine heroes. Really great, right? They can ride a horse even with this saree. So it was really very comfortable and very stylish at that moment also. Actually it is paired with lot of gold jewelry, layers of the gold necklaces, a bunch of flower or a gajra and a waistband not to be missed. So here I am using a belt instead of a waistband. And to keep it more approachable, I have worn a nut and the statement earrings. That's all. I really feel that this saree drape shows a mighty style statement. Really, what do you say? Now after trying the hands on Maharashtrian drape, we are coming up to the Gujarati drape. It is actually very simple. जैसे आप अपनी plain सीधी साड़ी पहनते हैं वैसा ही पहनिए and just you have to move your pallu from the back to the front. That is all. This is called the Sidha pallu drape. इसमें आपको अपनी जो pleats हैं इनको अच्छे से flare up कर लेना अपनी waist के around and you can tie a waistband or a belt like this also. This drape will look really royal if you try it on bandhej, gharchola and patola patterns. And it's a sheer piece of elegance. If you are a beginner with the saree, then I recommend that you must watch this video. This is really very useful. Don't forget to subscribe the channel so that we can catch up for the next time. If you really want to know how you can style your one jeans in different ways, do click on that video also. Bye bye.